Hello, this is Liquid Ocelot, and today I'm going to bring you a new method for generating YouTube views and getting more subscribers. But in order to do that, I always try to show you how to use your uh, other social media platforms to boost your uh, YouTube growth. So today we are going to talk about Quora. Now this is a very basic tutorial, and before I start, I'll talk about Quora. Quora is a question and answers based website, and it's a bit like Yahoo Answers. But the difference here is Yahoo Answers have moderation issues. They don't moderate their answers properly, whereas Quora is very neat and clean website, and you can see answers are moderated properly, and the mostly quality content always rises to the top. uh, Question and answers. So let's start the video. Now I am on Quora on my home page, and what can I do? How will I boost my YouTube uh, channel in Quora? So the first and most fundamental thing that you can do is simple. Click on your profile, the mannequin on top right, and you'll see profile. I've uh, pasted link in the description box, and you see you can edit your profile um, name, and there is an option add profile credential. So I'll just click it, and all I have to do is add my YouTube channel link, and click save. Now as you can see, my channel link is showing everybody. So you'll be asking me, why is this so important? Well, I'm going to show you exactly why it is so important. We're going to search in Quora regarding YouTube, and this topic is YouTube or YouTube views. So I'll choose YouTube, and what I'm going to do is find a good question and answer. Now somebody YouTube creator is saying, and we talk to YouTuber where they make about their breakups with more views on YouTube. A very general topic, how to get more views on my YouTube videos. So I'll go over here. Now this one has a lot of good answers, and I'll write my answer as well. Consistency, like posting videos every day on a synchronized time is very very good practice, and doing this method for 3 months minimum will get you results. And I'll click comment. Now I'll refresh page, and what I'm going to do is actually I made a mistake. I this was a comment and not an answer. So what I'll do, I'll delete this and I'll go and click answer and submit it. Now the question is this and the answer is this, but you see my profile and with it comma my YouTube channel. So if this post is ranked highly, or if somebody likes this post, definitely that person would want to go to my YouTube channel and check out my content. So this is a very good method. I hope you liked and learned something new today. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much. I'll be signing off.